Lala Anthony is up to some musical mischief with her superstar friends. In a recent Instagram video, the multi-talented actress had a blast testing her celebrity friends' music knowledge. Joining in on the fun were none other than Ciara, Rowland, and Kim Kardashian, among other familiar faces. The viral sim-simma challenge. In this quirky challenge, participants call up their unsuspecting friends, utter the words sim-simma, and eagerly await their response to complete the famous line. For those not in the know, sim-simma is a nod to a classic line from Jamaican dancehall artist Beenie Man's iconic 1997 track, Who Am I? The line goes, sim-simma, who got the keys to my bimmer? Lala kicked off the laughter by first quizzing her own 16-year-old son, Kian, whom she shares with her ex-husband Carmelo Anthony. She threw out the sim-simma challenge, leaving Kian hilariously puzzled and asking, who's that? The video then cut to a FaceTime session with Rowland, of Destiny's Child fame. With zero hesitation, Rowland nailed it, responding with the iconic line and even mimicking Beenie Man's Jamaican accent flawlessly. Next up, Vanessa Bryant took a brief moment before bursting into a smile and acing the challenge, much to Lala's surprise. Lala couldn't help but ask with a chuckle, how do you know this? Both Ciara and Young Miami from City Girls aced the challenge effortlessly. However, the streak hit a bump when it came to Kim Kardashian, with a confused, huh, and a hummed tune minus the words. Kim playfully struggled. She then tried to salvage her performance by claiming she did, in fact, remember the rest of the lyrics. Lala brother Christian Vasquez, though, was having none of it. When Lala hit him with the sim-simma, he cheekily responded by showing his middle finger to the camera. The adorable video even caught the attention of Beenie Man himself, who chimed in, keep the challenge going, my peeps, followed by a series of laughing emojis. Lala Anthony and Kim Kardashian share a close bond that spans many years. Just last month, Kim celebrated their friendship by sharing throwback selfies from the 2022 CFDA Fashion Awards in New York City. Their camaraderie is evident in every snapshot they take together. It's clear that Lala and her celebrity crew know how to have a blast while sharing some musical nostalgia.